Hey guys, welcome back to another beauty talk with y'all. You guys, today I'm bringing to you the passion rope twist. As you can see on your screen, this is my client, my beautiful client, feeling her hair. So stay tuned. I have this video in detail on how this look was made. So if you have any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. So for this look, we're gonna need the passion twist. It's not really passion twist. We got it from our local beauty supply, but this hair is softer than the Cuban twist, and it's a little bit tougher than the actual passion twist. But the twist came out so natural, so beautiful, and it matches the client's hair. So I love it. I love it. I unfortunately I do not have the description for those twists, but you could go ahead and go to your local beauty supply and look for the hair that look exactly what from what you're watching here. So now, as I mentioned in the introduction part of the video, we're doing a whoop twist. So it's gonna be, the result will be passion rope twist, if that, if that's the name for it. So as you can see, for you to do the whoop twist, it's basically open the client's hair in the parting in two portion, but you don't do it straight horizontal or straight vertical. So do it in a diagonal angle, okay, so that way you can grasp the hair, and the hair will actually stick, because believe me, you need a lot of practice to get this done. That way you'll be able to twist, as you could see here. If I can show you better than I can explain it to you, you twist the first part of the hair to the left, and then you twist the second part of the hair to the left, but in different sections, and then we're gonna go ahead and combine them together in one big twist. Whether you're doing it big like I'm doing it in client's hair, whether you do it medium or small, this is how, in order for you to have the whoop twist locked in, you need to actually twist the two sides before you actually look them up together. What I'm doing right now, as I do not like when I twist or when I braid, I like everything neat. So I make sure I tucked in the client's hair under the weave, under the kanekalon hair, so to make sure that her hair doesn't show out at all and it show as flawless as possible. So guys, go ahead and continue watching this video. I have everything in detail. I don't have everything fast forward. Everything is in detail in this video. So I hope this video bring light to you. I hope this video bring good stuff for yourself, for your client, for your kids, anything that you want. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. But if you already do, welcome back to your home. We're always happy to see you here. Don't forget to click on the like button, your notification bell for my next upload. We upload here every single week. Actually, sometimes we upload one, sometimes we upload two. It depends on how many videos we have, baby, for the week. All right guys, stay tuned. I'll be back.
I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you I'll be running, possessed by a lone low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Hold on.
So guys, as always, once I'm done with the client's hair, I always do the second part. It is very important for you to take care, for you to give the hair some therapy, for you to take care of the client's scalp, for you to make sure that you have enough products in there that's gonna last the client pay for that, so they need to receive the service that they pay for. So make sure you add some good products, make sure you give them some heat therapy, as I always showing you in my videos, whether you do this for you or you do this for a family member or you do this for a client, so that when they come back with great feedback. So as always, I thank you guys for watching. This is the final result. Okay, it is called passion rope twist. Okay, baby, 24 inches. It is looking fabulous. And so I thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, suggestions, don't forget to drop them on the comment below. And so I'll see you next week or on my next video to come. Thank you so much always for watching. May God bless y'all. Thank you. Bye bye.